Hey everyone, today we're going to be making the third island and the third portal for our speed simulator. This can be the last island we make of the series. After this, feel free to make as many islands as you want, because after this you'll have the understanding of how you can make your own islands. Because last time it wasn't very explained very well. Now I'm just, to save time copying and pasting and stuff and make these look a bit nice, I'm going to bring in an island from my previous game, a game which I'm currently trying to fix. So let me paste this into here, just ignore this for now. I know it doesn't look very good. I'm just going to bring it over here. Now this is the desert island from my other game. Now what we're going to do is, you lot can just copy and paste this whole thing if you want, but I'm just going to bring over this because it's neater. But if you don't want, you can just go to island 2, island 2, duplicate it, move it back, rename it to island 3. But I'm going to just bring this in. Now this is going to be a bit harder because it's not grouped correctly, so let me drag this base plate into here, and I'll just call this base plate. Now this island 2, I'm going to rename this to island 3, just so we know it's island 3. I'm going to rotate it. If you click this here, you can rotate and then type in, I'm going to type in 90 here, so I can rotate in 90 degrees at a time. Now I can untick that rotate. Now with the move, I'm just going to move it to a nice position, which I think would be good. I'm going to say, I'm going to move it a bit further back. I'm going to want to make Island 3 harder to get to than Island 2. Bit further back, that's quite far. That's better. Now I just got to make a hole in here, which is going to be a little bit annoying. But what I'm actually going to do, this is like an autumny area, as I know. Now we're going to simply, we're going to need to make our parkour, so I'm just going to copy this parkour, duplicate it over. We can group this into another folder called parkour, and I'm going to use a plugin called building tools to move this. We only want to move one parkour, not both. Let's just do that. There we are. It just makes it so I can move it without it being weird. There we are. Get that nice, just to about where you want it. Obviously we're going to have to edit this now, so let's open it up. This will become Island 2. Just delete each of these apart from the first one. It's probably easier if we didn't duplicate and just did it ourselves, but oh well. Let me also close down this. There we go. Now we've got our Island 2. Now just while I work on this, I'm just going to drag this part into the workspace by itself, just so it's easier to move. I'm going to make it a yellowy colour, make it sand as well, just so it sort of fits in this theme. Make these jumps maybe a bit harder. Whoops. I'll just do some random rotations and stuff. Do as you please, make it as hard as you want. Let's do some random bits and bobs. This one's going to be a bit harder because I want it to be a harder island to get to, but we don't want it to be impossible. So you want to do testing to see what's hard and what isn't for your characters. There we are. That's a lot harder than that one. But now that we've got those, I'm going to while holding control, select all of these, and we're going to put them into Island 2. Now we can close down the parkour because we're done with it. Or yep, we are done with the parkour. Yes, we are. Now on the third island, I'm not going to make a third island shop because we did all that last episode, so you can easily just sort of look at that and then take it over to this island. But what we will do is go through the script. First thing I'm going to do is open up Island 3. Let's put the base plate. Open the base plate and go to the script. And that's a script from my game, so let's not base it off that script. Let's base it off the base plate of this script. Let's copy it. I think they're similar scripts actually. Yeah, because this whole series was based off of my own game, so yeah. So we're just going to paste in the script that we got from the last one, and we are now going to change up some things because this is Island 3. So this is going to be let's just go through this. So the number of children is 1 because there's only one portal, so we're now going to have 2 portals. So this will be if number of children is equal to 2, then P2 equals, just change these to P2s, And now we'll make this P2 player.portal. Yep, everything here seems good. Script.parent.pet. Okay, this is what we need to change. So script.parent.parent. Okay. .portal frame. Okay, yeah, we'll come back to this bit here. So for now, I'm just gonna dash that out, and this portal's unlocked value is gonna be equal to 2. I'm gonna make the world boost free on this island, and the max island obviously will be free then. We're gonna dash this line out and comment it out just because we're gonna come back to it in a minute. We haven't actually made this portal yet. Now, what we are going to want to do is open up. We want to open up, I believe, let's open up the island one first. Let's go down to portals. No, sorry, it's not an island one, it's a separate thing. Let's go to our portals, and let's design our next island portal for now. So let's duplicate these desert portals. We're going to rename these to Island 3, because I don't know what to name my Island 3. Now this will be portal frame 1. We can move this over. If you want, click model, click on move, and then I'm going to put 15 studs, and we can kind of move it with a nice gap there, so it will always be an even gap. Now how many we make in the future, it'll always be a nice gap, which is something just quite nice to have. Now in this portal frame 1, we're going to open up this. Maybe if you want, you can change the colour, considering it's like an orangey for this portal, so I might make it more orange. Same here. There we go. Let's go to our script. I still haven't tested the data store, by the way. I keep forgetting, I know. I will do it. I will do it. So, let's have a look at this. Player equals hit.parent, go and find first child humanoid, local player, yep, this is alright. Then we're going to say if player.portals.p2 here, then, and we want to teleport them. So now, we are going to go to our portal frame 2. Now we're going to open up this portal here, and local P is humanoid. Okay, yeah, so there's not much more we need to do now. We just need to get the position of this portal frame, so let's just move it forward a little bit with the studs turned off now, so untick the move and copy the position of it. Then we can undo that with Control Z, and now we're going to go over to our second portal and paste in these coordinates that we just copied. Next, we want to get the position of this portal frame. Not this one, sorry, this one. Move it forward a bit. Copy it, undo it, and then go into the first script and paste it there. So now we can actually teleport to these portals. Now what we want to do is go, I think we already save our data store, there's nothing we need to change in here. Where we've got this local portals here, we need to copy this if portal.value equals 1. Comes down here, we'll say if portal.value equals 2, then workspace.portals.island3, this would be, .portal frame 1, .portal blah blah blah, then P2, 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 this would be P2, and then there we are. Now, I don't think we actually need to save, yeah, no we don't. And now we can close that. We just need to go back to our, what was it? It was our island 3. We need to go back to our base plate script, and we can untag this line now because we've made this. So that's because we're saying script out a load of parents which don't even match up to anything. We need to count, because it might work for you lot, but for me it's not, because I'm using a different base plate. So I need to say script.parent. So how many parents have we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4. I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, I don't. I want 1, 2. I want just 3. So I only want 3 parents, and then dot portals, and this would be island 3, not desert. Portal frame 1. Okay, there we are. It should work now. Now, if we test it again, I believe this will completely save and everything now. So, yep, can't use it. Let's just cancel that. Let's go through here. Massive jump. Oh, we did it. Now we can go back through here. And yeah, okay, we have our transparency now. So that's how we know that that's worked. Now, if we stop the game, the portal should still be here. Let's just have a look. No, it's not. P2 is not a valid member of portals. Okay, so it's a yeah, okay, let's have a look. Is our portals unlocked? Oh, it's still on 1, not equal to. So let's do that. Let's file, publish, and retest it. Now this is the joys of making games. You can test them. There you are. Now we've got both portals, and they both save, which is awesome. So our portals are done. Just our cell buttons aren't working now. Let's go have a look at what's wrong with those. So let's go start a GUI, main screen, cell here. So if max island is equal to 1, yeah, so we've got nothing for if max island is equal to 3. So let's just do this and copy and paste this. If max island is equal to 3. If you lot have a coin pad for your third island, then go ahead with that. But I'm just going to set it to island 2 again, because I don't have a third island. And then we're going to do the same thing with this cell button. If that's equal to 3, we're going to do the exact same thing. If we give this one last quick test on the cell button, it should, full hope, work. Let's just wait for it to sell. Yep, and it works. There you are. So that's it, everyone. You've made your third island. Now you can go ahead and make as many as you want. I'm going to file, save, and publish again. So thanks for watching this, everyone. If you enjoyed this, make sure to leave a like, and thanks for watching. Bye.